Hello. Alright, we're back in the studio, which was once again a luthier shop. And we've got making the neck, shaping the neck. We've got a template for cutting it out. I've just replaced the tires in my bandsaw, and it was a bit vibratey, but I think I've managed to seat the tires in the wheels and it's running smoother now. Let's see how it goes. Ah, nice. There you have it. So far. Righty right. This is what we're heading for. This is our reference. And, you know, that's the basic idea. Uh-oh, can't see what I'm doing there. Alrighty, well there you go. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, how do you work this thing? Good Lord.